And so that is Fontana Dam. This is what it looks like down at the bottom. Over there's the river. So there's all the waters behind there, right? So let's go see what it looks like from the top. This will take some doing, but it should be fun. In order to get to the top of it, we got to go out this road, which is the powerhouse road, and you got to go up the mountain and then back around and down to the dam, actually. So we get out here. This is Route 28. Go this way. Sure we don't get run over. Graham County, North Carolina. Swain County, North Carolina. County in both of them here. Brakes are good, the tires is fair. So this goes into Nantahala National Forest. It's going to take a bit, so we're going to speed up some of it. Then a bit of brake, and a little bit of gas, a little bit of brake, and a little bit of gas. South keeps going that way, but that's not the way we're going. We're going straight on through to the other side. Ta-da! That's it. Like I said, we had to go up a mountain. Now we got to come down one just a little bit to get to the dam. We're really close right now, though. As you can tell, we're going downhill too. But over there is the lake that the dam has made, and there is the dam. So now we're on top. The speed bumps out here. You know how we feel about speed bumps? No, thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you. I get back here so you can see it. All that trash floating around. But yeah, that's the back side of the dam. And the lake that it's created. Fontana Lake, I assume. Pretty neat. Probably see it actually better from right here. Because there's the dam. They're really not supposed to stop on the dam. But there's really nobody coming either. So I'm going to stop on the dam. And there's the top. That's where we were. This is where we are. Pretty cool. So yeah, Fontana Dam. Pretty cool. So if you like the video, give me a like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that stuff, because every time you do it, gets me one tiny little step closer to being able to go and do the next cool thing. Thanks for watching. Bada boom.